Hi friends, I show you new version WhatsApp how to add description. First you have to update your WhatsApp. Come on, let's begin. We have to go first Play Store. First see my interview, then I show you how to add WhatsApp description. Come on, let's begin. We have to go Play Store and we have to type WhatsApp. There is down WhatsApp Messenger. I click that. I already updated my WhatsApp. You update first your WhatsApp. Don't have more information and open it. I am clicking my group. We have to click bottom of that group description. We have to click there. I have typed hi. Friends. Subscribe. Now here have some smiles and etc. and working. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe please my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. After click bell icon, like and share. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.